Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another restoration. Today we're going to be working on this little Stanley machinist level. It's not in terrible shape, but it definitely needs a good cleaning, so I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, let's get a good look at this. This is a Stanley, I want to say it's number 36. I don't know if that's going to show up on there or not. Hopefully it does. In cast iron. It's got the bubble protectors on there. That's pretty cool. I like that. I tried to do a restoration on this during a tool medley, and I couldn't do it because the screws were seized in there. So I know that that side, the flat side, is broke loose. It was this side that wasn't. So let me get the blaster on there. I had this soaking for, oh geez, probably 3-4 weeks, and here we go. I just, every once in a while I would put a drop on top of it, just try and break these loose. This is the one that won't move at all. Yeah. Let's at least get this one out then. And they're tiny little set screws, but you can just feel the rust all in them. Oh, there we go. We got her. We got her. Oh, I'm so excited. Never been so excited in all my life. So the other side, I know, these I already broke loose. Or did I? What is going on here? Great googly moogly. Wow, that's a long little set screw there. And we gotta try this side. Okay, well, it's all broken down. I think I'm going to come up with a cool color for this, because you'll always see these in black because that's how they came. I want to I don't know, I want to do something just a little bit different. So I'm going to probably spray this down with something to get that paint or Japanning or whatever's on there off. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Those should clean up nicely. Set screws. I'm hoping they clean up nicely, I should say. Well, there we go. That's cleaned up a lot better. Brass is nice and shiny again. Like it. All three of them came out real good. Sweet, right? All right. Well, like I said, we're still waiting on paint to bubble up on this. And I don't think it's paint. I think it's Japanning. To be honest with you. This paint would have bubbled up already if it was just normal paint. And it hasn't bubbled up at all. Well, let's see if the gum cutter will do anything to it now. Oof, just got that stuff everywhere. You know what, let me take this outside and spray it to where I can give it a real good jet. Alright, well, we did get a little bit of the paint off there. Let me get this latex glove off. That gum cutter just cuts right through those gloves. That is definitely Japanning. If that was just paint, that stuff would have came right off. Well, it came out pretty good, but I want to soak this in a rust remover and, well, get it looking a little bit better. Alrighty, guys. Well, let's see what this did. Very nice. Very nice indeed. And I'm going to keep the little set screws in here until I'm ready for them. So. Kind of has a sulfury smell. Guess it makes like a sulfur dioxide or something, you know. I'm going to get the moisture off this. Spend a little bit of time with some small wire brushes and throw it on the big wire wheel, and we will get to cleaning this up fully. Then we'll give it a paint job. So let me switch out batteries and we'll jump on that. All right, looks a lot better. Stanley number 36. We're gonna let this dry and we're gonna spray it with a probably a lacquer. Then we'll get the bubbles put back in, and this one will be done. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. The Stanley machinist level came out pretty good. This is a little 6-inch level. It's got a patent date of 1898. That would make it what? 126 years old? I can't believe it's still around. So we cleaned her up, we got her looking a lot better. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.